I got my dream job, let me tell you about it. I'm a photographer. Alright, so listen up. Subscribe to my YouTube. Your girl's been on it. I might not be the chosen one, but I'm working on it. My name is Veneka. It needs to shine light. If you look on this channel, you'll find a tutorial called The Gangster Life. If pictures are worth 1,000 words, mine are worth 1,000,000. You can find me at the King's Crawl. I'm just chilling. Simply can't compete with this. It's Bulawayo Bliss. If they don't see me rolling, how they gonna hate? I freestyle and it's 8 out of 8. Great mate. The Great Destroyer has a name. Veneka the Wrecker Supreme. I'm simply living my dream.